Okay, next question. 32% of 480 plus 5 by 7 of 890 minus 27% of 820. Right? Percent means 2 decimal points. Na? I am writing here 32 into 4.8 plus 5 by 7 into 1890 minus 27 into 8.2. ఓకే, మనం సపరేట్గా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోండి. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 1 25, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, right? So 6 13 5 1, 1 decimal point there, put 1 decimal point, plus here 7 7 2s are 14, remaining 49, 7 7s are 49, 0. So 5 zeros 0, 5 7s are 35, 3 is there, 5 2s are 10 3, 13 50 minus see here 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16 5, 21 4 11 2 2, 1 decimal point is there, put 1 decimal point. Now take the simplification. 6 minus 4 2 decimal point, 3 plus 0 3, 3 minus 1 2, 5 plus 5 10, 10 minus 2 8, 1 plus 13, 1 plus 13 14, 14 minus 2 12, right? 12 1282.2, the answer option 4. Option 4. Directions 76 to 79. What should come in the place of question mark in the following number series? In the following number series, 369 becomes 621. Slowly increasing, addition takes place. How much addition here? Plus 12, right? Plus 24. 12 24, 12 table na? 12 ones are 12 twos are. Next 12 threes are 36. 405 plus 36 are 441. Option 3 correct answer. Option 3 correct answer. Next one, 23 becomes 346, right? 23 24 32 41, slowly increasing, again addition takes place. How much addition here? Plus 1, here plus 8, here plus 9, right? 1 8 9. What is 1? 1 square, 8 2 cube, 9 3 square. What will be next? 4 square, so 4 cube, 1 time square 1 time cube, 4 cube 64 plus 64, 101 plus 64 105. Second option. Second option. Next question, 85 becomes 245, again slowly increasing, addition takes place. How much here? Plus 12, here plus 20, here plus 30, right? 12 20 30. What is 12? 3 4s are 20 means 4 5s are, 30 means 5 6s are, next 6 7s, next 7 6 7 8s, next 8 9s. What is 8 9s are? 72. 8 9s are 72. Okay, so 45 plus 72, how much? 4 plus 7 11. So 317, option 2. 317, option 2. Here 3 4 4 5 5 6, next 6 7, next 7 8, next 8 9, 8 9, 8 9s are 72. So 245 plus 72, it is 317. It is 317. Okay, next question, 9.5 becomes 54,000, fastly increasing. Fastly increasing. Fastly increasing means multiplication takes place. How much multiplication here? 9 becomes 11 one time, 11 becomes 20 two times. That means 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, 4 times, like that going. Okay, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So into 5. Next, what happening here? 1 time plus 2. 1 time plus 2, here 2 times minus 2, that means 1 time plus 1 time minus. So plus 2 minus 2, again plus 2 minus 2, again plus 2. So here plus 2 into 5 plus 2. So 258 plus 258 into 5 plus 2. 5 8s are 40, 4 in mind. 5 5s are 25, 4, 29, 2 in mind. 5 2s are 10, 2, 12. 1290 plus 2, 1292 answer. Option 3. Option 3. Okay? DI. 5 DI questions. What is given here? Study the following graph carefully and answer the questions given below. Okay? Mango production in the year 2015. Punjab 15,000, Jharkhand 12,500, UP 22,500, Bihar 20,000, Himachal Pradesh 10,000, Madhya Pradesh 15,500, other states 25,000, Karnataka 13,000. 13,000, right? See your question. Which of the following states contributes less than 10% in the total mango production? Total mango production. You need to identify first total mango production. Total. Calculate immediately the total. 2 zeros common na? Next. 0, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15. 5, 1 in mind. 6, 8, 10, 10, 10, 15, 20, 23. 2 in mind. 1, so 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. 1,33,500. Total mango production is 1,33,500. Then what is your question? 10%, less than 10%. What is 10% of 1,33,500? 10% of 1,33,500. Okay, so percentage skills 2 zeros na. Strictly less than 13,500. Which states? Observe carefully. 13,500. Jharkhand is there, Himachal Pradesh is there, and Karnataka is there. Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka. 3 states. Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka. Option 3. Option 3. Okay. Next question. By what percent is the mango production of other states more than that of Jharkhand? More than that of Jharkhand. Okay. Other states, Jharkhand. Other states. What is other states? 25,000. Jharkhand 12,500. 12,500. Then question is, what percent is the mango production of other states more than Jharkhand? More than. How much more than here? 12,500 more than. More than. By what percent is the mango production of other states more than that of Jharkhand? More than that of Jharkhand. So more than is 12,500, than Jharkhand means 12,500. So how much percentage here? Cancellation na? 100%. 100% means option 3. 12,500 is there. This is exactly 100% of 12,500. Okay. Next question. Approximately what percent of the total mango production is shared by other states? Shared by other states. What is other states here? 25,000. 25,000. Shared by other states. Total mango. What is total mango production here? Just now calculated 1,33,500. How much percentage? Clear? So 2 zeros cancel. But here if you take directly, it takes lot of time na. So that's why I am going approximately. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. But it is not exactly na. Exactly not 2 na. So 2 times. 2 times. 2 times means 20%. Please put the option below 20%. Please put option below 20%. Which one is below 20? It is not exactly 20. Clear? 13 twos are 26. 13 twos are 26. Here is 25 only. It is not exactly 20. It is less than 20. What is less than 20 option? 5. 18. Go approximately. The best shortcut method in data interpretation is go approximation. Approximation. Right? 13 twos are 20. 6, but it is not 26, it is 25 only. So less than 20%. What is less than 20% option? 18. Okay. Next question. What is the average production in tons by all the states together in the year 2015? Average. What is average? Sum divided by total. Sum is, just now you calculated sum, 1,33,500 by how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Right? See calculation. 8. 8 ones are 8, remaining 53. 8 6 are 48, remaining 5, 55. Again 8 6 are 48, remaining 70. Remaining 70. 8 8 are 64. So 1668. 1668 is first option. Go approximately 1668, first option. Okay. Next question. Total production of mangoes by Madhya Pradesh is what percent the total production of Bihar, Jharkhand and Punjab? What is Madhya Pradesh here? 15,500. 15,500. And total production of Bihar, Jharkhand and Punjab. Bihar 20,000. Jharkhand 12,500. That means 32,500. Next Punjab 15,000, 47,500, 20, 15, 35, 125, 47,500. This total production of Madhya Pradesh is what percent of? 47,500 into 100%. Right? So this also go approximation. If we go directly, it takes lot of time. Go approximation 15, how many times? 3 times. So 100 by 3 means 33 point something, but it is less than 33. What is your option here? 32.63. 32.63. If you go like this, you will get fastest answer. Okay. 100 by 3, 33 point something, it is somewhat less than, so 32.63. Okay. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word handbook be arranged if all the vowels comes together? Okay, vowels comes together means we will take all the vowels in one letter only. A, O, O. మూడు లెటర్స్ని ఒక లెటర్ లాగా కన్సిడర్ చేయండి, రిమైనింగ్ లెటర్స్ని రిమైనింగ్ లెటర్స్ లాగా కన్సిడర్ చేయండి. హెచ్, ఎన్, డి, బి, కే. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి లెటర్స్ రిమైనింగ్? 5. టోటల్ 6 లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 6 డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఇదంతా ఒక లెటర్, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని 5 letters, total 6 letters. So what is the required answer here? Required answer is equal to 6 factorial. We will arrange all the letters among themselves in 6 factorial. Problem is incomplete. Why incomplete? Vowels are not arranged here. అన్నీ ఒకసారి తీసుకున్నావు కానీ వొవెల్స్ని అరేంజ్ చేయలేదు ఇక్కడ, కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్కంప్లీట్. ఇన్కంప్లీట్ అంటే ఇంటూ పెట్టండి. Then how many vowels are there? 3 vowels are there. All 3 vowels can arranged in 3 factorial if they are different. కానీ ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ లేవు కదా, 2 O's రిపీట్ అయ్యాయి. రైట్ ద రిపీటర్ ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ డినామినేటర్. రిపీట్ అయిన లెటర్స్కి ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఎక్కడ రాయాలి? డినామినేటర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ 6 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ హియర్? 720 ఇంటూ 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ 6 by 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Then 3 zeros 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 2160 the answer. Option 2. Option 2. Okay. Next question. A man purchases 2 watches for rupees 665. He sells one of them at 20% profit and the other 15% loss. Thus he neither gain nor loss. Right? Overall percentage is also given. No loss, no gain is given. So we will take this question through allegation concept. What is the allegation concept here means? So profit means I am taking plus 20, loss means minus 15, and overall percentage is 0. Then anti-clockwise direction, 20 minus 0, it is 20. 0 minus of minus 15, 15. Take ratio, 5 3s are, 5 4s are. Then what is cost price of article sold at profit? Cost price of article sold at profit, it is 3. It is second one 4. Then he is asking find the selling price of each watch na. Selling price of each watch means total 7. For 7 it is 665. Right? He is asking 3 how much? 4 how much? 7. 7 nines are 63. Remaining 7 fives are 35. Okay? Then 3 fives are 15. 3 nines are 21 plus 3 nines are 27 plus 1 28. Then into 4. 4 means 4 fives are 20. 4 nines are 36 plus 2 38. So 285 380. Option 1. Okay. Next question. If x by 5 is equal to y by 8, then x plus y is to y plus 8 is equal to. See, this is proportion na. Proportion means we will take as it is values. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 8. Take directly, then only you will get fastest answer. Don't make them is equal to k something, is equal to a or is equal to b. Don't take like that. అలా తీసుకుంటే ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది. డైరెక్ట్గా తీసుకోండి. ఓకే. If x is 5, then 5 plus 5 10. If x is y is 8, 8 plus 8 16. So 2 5s are 2 8s are. So again you will get 5 is to 8. Option 4. Option 4. ఈ విధంగా తీసుకుంటే మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. The ratio of the age of Shweta to that of Santoshi is 9:4. If after 10 years Santoshi's age will be the same as the present age of Shweta, then find the present age of Shweta. Okay, here present is given 9:4 na. Then what is your condition? Condition ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? After 10 years, 10 years తర్వాత Santoshi age, right? Now Santoshi age is 4x. Santoshi age is 4x. 4x. After 10 years, after 10 years means plus 10 is same as the present age of Shweta. What is Shweta present age? 9x. So calculate x here. 5x is 10. X is equal to 2. Then he is asking find the present age of Shweta. Shweta is 9x na. 9x. 9x. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Option 4. Option 4. Okay. Next question. ABC started a business with their investments in the ratio of 1:2:3. After 6 months, A invested the same amount as before and B and C withdraws half of their investments. The ratio of their profits at the end of the year is, okay, a year. In a year, first 6 months, next 6 months. So common term na 6 months, 6 months. Don't take a common term. Why? Because in ratio the common term will be cancelled. Sir, how sir? చూడండి. A ratio first 6 months 1 rupee. Next 6 months he invested same amount as before 2 rupees. Next 6 months. This is A's investment in the year. First 6 months 1 rupee. Next 6 months he invested again the same 1 rupee plus 1 rupee 2 rupees. Okay. Then coming to B, 2 rupees first 6 months. Next B and C withdraws half of their amount. From 2 rupees B withdraws 1 rupee means next 6 months 1 rupee only. Next coming to C, first 6 months 3 rupees. 3 rupees 6 months. Next 6 months half. Half means 1.5 rupees. Next 6 months 1.5 rupees. See here, first I told na, don't take that 6 and 6. Why? Because here 6 6 6 6 6 6 common term is there, cancelled na. In ratio the common term cancelled. So don't take that one. Don't take that one. Right? Take directly. Directly means, see how sir, how you will take directly means, listen, I will give the shortcut method. First 6 months 1 rupee, next 6 months he added 1 more rupee, that means 2 rupees. Coming to B, 2 rupees, then he subtracted 1 rupee means 1 rupee. Next C means first 6 months 3 rupees, next 6 months half of the rupee 1.5, right? 3 rupees 1.5, 4.5, right? 4.5, 3 ones 3 1.5s, but it is not 1.5 na. I am doubling 2 3. What is 2 2 3 option? Where is 2 2 3 option? 2 2 3 option 1, option 1. Okay, next question. The ratio of milk to the water in a solution is 2:1. After adding 15 liters of water to the solution, the ratio of water and milk interchanges means 1:2. 1:2. Then how much milk does the solution contains initially? Initially means initially how much milk? 2 na, 2 ratio na. Calculate 2 ratio. How we will approach this? Listen. 2:1 means milk is 2x, water is x. What happened next? After adding 15 liters to the water, తర్వాత ఏం చేశారు వారు? వాటర్కి 15 లీటర్స్ యాడ్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు రేషియో ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది అన్నాడు. ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అంటే 2:1 ఇంటర్చేంజ్ మీన్స్ 1:2. టేక్ క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్. 2 2s are 4x is equal to x plus 15. 3x is 15, x is 5, x is 5, x is 5. If x is 5, he is asking initial na, initial milk 2x. 2x how much? 2 5s are 10 liters. 2 5s are 10 liters. Second option. A train is running at a speed of 194.4 km per hour, passes a man walking in the opposite direction at the speed of 6 meter per second in 15 seconds. Then what is the length of the train? Right? Train is at 194.4 kmph. In opposite direction, a man is running with 6 meter per second. Then they cross each other in how many seconds? 15 seconds. Then what is the length of the train? What is the length of the train? Okay, length of the train is involved in the distance na. Distance. So what is distance here? Distance is equal to, both are in moving position, రెండు కూడా మూవింగ్లో ఉన్నాయి. రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ వస్తుంది కదా, రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ ఇంటూ టైమ్. Relative speed into time. Here relative speed, both are moving in opposite direction na. Opposite direction means addition, but here one is big, another one is small. So first convert that 194.4 km per hour into meter per second. So meter per second means 5/18 na. Small means 5/18. Kilometer per hour, big means 18/5. So 18 ones are 18, remaining 144, 14, take 0, it is 144, 14 8s are 144. How many decimals are there here? 1 decimal is there. So 10.5 into 5, 5 10s are 50, 5 8s are 40, 54 mph. So what is train speed? 54 mph. What is man speed? 6 mph. Then relative speed is opposite direction addition. 54 plus 6, 60. In how many seconds? 15 seconds. Then what is the 65 are? 90. 900 meters. 900 meters. Option 3. Option 3. Okay. Next question. A man takes total 6 hours 30 minutes by walking a certain place and coming back by cycle. Walking plus cycling is 6 hours 30, 6:30, 6 hours 30 minutes. He would have gained 1 hour 30 minutes by cycling both ways. By cycling both ways means C plus C. gained by 1 hour 30 minutes means only 5 hours. Then the time taken by both ways, walk both ways, రెండు కూడా నడిస్తే ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, సో 2 cycling is 5 hours means cycling is 2 hours 30 minutes na. Cycling means 2 hours 30 minutes, 2 hours 30 minutes, right? Substitute cycling here, then walking is equal to 6 hours 30 minutes minus 2 hours 30 minutes, it is 4 hours only. Both way walking means 2 times 4 hours, it is 8 hours, right? 8 hours. So where is your option 8 hours? Option 1. A person traveled a distance 30 kilometers in 8 hours. He traveled partly on foot at the rate of 3 km/h and partly bicycle at the rate of 5 km/h. The distance traveled on foot is, right? Partly on foot at the rate of 3 km/h. Partly means in 30 kilometers, let x kilometers is traveled with foot at 3 km/h. And the remaining 30 minus x. The remaining distance is 30 minus x on bicycle with 5 km/h. Then total takes 8 hours. Then take cross multiplication. 5x plus 30 into 3 90 minus 3x is 15. 15 8s are 120. 15 8s are 120. LCM 15 na, take LCM 15 to that side. 120. 5x minus 3x 2x. 2x is 120 minus 90 30. Then x is 15. X is 15 kilometers. Option 2. Option 2. Okay. Next question. A barrel contains 56 liters of kerosene. It has 2 taps. One tap draws 500 ml every 6 minutes. After first 5 liters are drawn from the barrel, the second tap also starts. It draws 1 liter in every 5 minutes. Then how many hours will it be taken in all to empty the tank? 2 taps are there na. First find the tap's capacity in hours. Tap capacity in hours. First tap 500 ml in every 6 minutes. 6 minutes takes 500 ml. Then what is 60 minutes? 1 hour na. 60 minutes takes how much? Calculate. 6 ones are 6 tens are. So on cross we get 5000 ml. 5000 ml. What is 5000 ml? 5 liters. Okay. Similarly, second tap, it draws 1 liter in every 5 minutes. That means 5 minutes takes 1 liter. Then 60 minutes takes how much? 5 ones are 5 12s are. So 12 into L. So it is 12 liters. First tank capacity 5 liters. Second tank capacity 12 liters. Then your question is, how many hours will it take in all to empty the tank? If both are opened simultaneously, we have shortcut method. But here both are not opened simultaneously. రెండు ఒకేసారి ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు. మరి ఎలా ఏం చేశారు చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ఫస్ట్ 5 liters are drawn from the barrel. First 5 liters are drawn from barrel. Right? How much time taken? 5 liters per hour na. So by 5 plus, and the remaining how much? 56 minus 5 is drawn by 2 taps. 2 taps, what is it? What is 2 taps? 5 plus 12, 17. Right? 5 cancel 1. Here is 51 na. 56 minus 5, 51. 73 ones, 17 ones, 17 threes. So 1 plus 3 how much? 4 hours. 4 hours. Option 3. 4 hours. Option 3. A can do a piece of work in 7 days working 9 hours every day. B can do it in 6 days working 7 hours every day. How long will they take to do the work? 8 to 2 by 5 hours per day. How long will it take? How many days will it take? How many days? right? So first to find it work done. First person 7 days 9 hours working. So what is total first person? 6. What is total first work done? 7 days 9 hours 63. Second person 7 hours 6 days. 6 days 7 hours 42. Right? So first person work done 63 samosas. Second person work done 42 samosas per day. So how long will it take to do 8 2 by 5 hours per day? What is 8 2 by 5 hours? 5 8 is 40 plus 2, 42 by 5. Right? So work done na, we will take reverse. 5 by 42 of so they together na, together means what is your shortcut? Product by sum. Product means 42 into 63 by sum means 42 plus 63 105. 42 42 cancel, 5 2s are 5 1s are 21 ones 21 3s. How long will it take? 3 days. Option 1. How long will it take? Option 1. 3 days. Okay. Next question. Sohan is half as good workman as Pratap, and together they finish the work in 24 days. The number of days taken by Sohan alone to finish the work. Sohan is half as good workman as Pratap. Then Sohan to Pratap. Half good workman means if Pratap takes 1 day, Sohan takes 2 days. Sohan takes 2 days. Half good workman means reverse 2 days. Right? And therefore finish the piece of work in 24 days. Together finish. ఇద్దరు కలిసి అన్నారు. కలిసి అంటే మనకు ప్రోడక్ట్ బై సమ్ ఉంది కదా షార్ట్ కట్. ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటే 2x ఇంటూ x బై సమ్ 3x is equal to 24. 1x cancel, 2 1s are 2 12s are. On cross I am getting the value x is equal to 36. Then what is your question? Sohan means 2x. 2x is equal to 72. X is 36 means 2x is 72. How many days? 72 days. Option 3. Option 3. A wire is molded into a circle of radius 14 centimeters. Then the wire is bent and shaped into a rectangle of length 24 meters. Find the area of the rectangle. What is area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Here length is known but breadth is not known. So దీనికోసం ఏం చేశారు వారు? Wire is molded into a circle of radius 14 centimeters. Right? Then wire is bent in the shape of rectangle. Wire is bent in the shape of rectangle. Wire is bent in the shape of rectangle. Then in these two diagrams, what is the equality? Equality means circle shape is bended into rectangle. So if the circumference is equal to the perimeter of this, right now here circumference of circle is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, what is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Pi means 22 by 7. R means radius 14 centimeters. 7 1s are 7 2s are. Then what is this value? 22s 44, 44 2s 88. What is circumference of the circle? 88 centimeters. With this circumference of wire, a person bent in the shape of rectangle. Then length is given how much? 24. Find breadth. So here 88 centimeters is equal to perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth is 88. Then length is 24. 2 1s are 2 44s. Length is 24. Breadth is don't know. Take as it is B. Then what is B here? B is 44 minus 24, 20. You know length, you know breadth. What is area? Area is equal to length into breadth. 24 2s 48. 48 0 480. 480 meter square. Option 4. Option 4. A rectangle with a diagonal of length 14 meters is inscribed in a circle. Find the area of the circle. Right? Circle లోపల rectangle ని inscribe చేశారు. ఓకే, సర్కిల్ లోపల రెక్టాంగిల్ని ఇన్స్క్రైబ్ చేశారు. దెన్ హియర్ one property is common, that is the diagonal of the rectangle is equal to the diameter of the circle. So what is the diagonal length here? 14 meters. Then diameter is 14, radius is 7. Radius is 7. Okay, if radius is 7, area is equal to pi 22 by 7 r square, 7 into 7. 1 7 cancel, 7 2s are 14 14, 154 centimeter square. Option 2. Option 2. Okay, a rectangular field which is 16 meters long and 12 meters wide has two paths, each 4 meters wide, running in the middle of it, one parallel to the length and another parallel to the breadth. Find the area of the two paths. Find the area of the two paths. So a rectangular field is like this, having 16 meters length and 12 meters broad, wide. Okay, has two paths, each 4 meters wide, running in the middle of it. Running in the middle of it. This is 4 meters. Running in the middle of it. 4 meters. Then what is the area of this path? What is the area of the path? Right? What is the area of the path? Right? So here is one small rectangle is there. Here is one small rectangle is there. But drawing these two rectangles, one portion is added twice na. మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ ఏరియా 2 times యాడ్ అవుతూ ఉంది. అందులో నుంచి మీరు 1 టైమ్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఆ పాత్ ఏరియా వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ పాత్ ఏరియా? దిస్ ఈజ్ 16, దిస్ ఈజ్ 4, 16 into 4. సెకండ్ పాత్ ఏరియా, దిస్ ఈజ్ 12, 12 నా, దిస్ ఈజ్ 12, బ్రెడ్త్ ఈజ్ 12 నా, దిస్ ఈజ్ 12, 12 into 4, 12 into 4. In these two areas, this area is added twice. ఫస్ట్ రెక్టాంగిల్లో ఏరియాలో యాడ్ అయిపోయింది, సెకండ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఏరియాలో కూడా యాడ్ అయిపోయింది ఈ పోర్షన్, మిడిల్ పోర్షన్. అందులో నుంచి ఒక్కసారి మీరు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. ఇదేమో 4, ఇక్కడేమో 4, 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మీకు పాత్ ఏరియా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 16 4s are 64. ఓకే, సో టేక్ కామన్ 4. 16 plus 12, 28. 28 minus 4, 24. 24 into 4, 96 meter square. 96 meter square. Option 2. Option 2. The volume of a cylinder is 450 cubic meter. Find the volume of the cone if the base and height of the cone and the cylinder are the same. Base and height of the cylinder is equal to the base and height of the cone. Both are same. Then see here, base of the cone and cylinder cone is equal. Then base and is equal. Then in a cylinder, how many cones are there? 1 2 3 cones are there. Then volume of cone is equal to 1/3. Actually 3 cones na, 3 cones is equal to cylinder. 3 cones is equal to cylinder. Then what is 1 cone? 1 cone is 1/3 of cylinder. 1 cone is 1/3 of cylinder. 1/3 of cylinder, right? So 1/3 of, actually cylinder is how much? 450. Then answer is 150 centimeter cube. So option 2. In a cylinder we inscribed 3 cones. That is the clue, shortcut. Apply 3 cones is equal to cylinder, 1 cone is 1/3 cylinder. Okay.